Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by collecting evidence and enabling protections right away. First, capture examples of spam so you can identify patterns. This helps with filters and reports. Once done, turn on built-in spam filters for texts, calls, and email, and update your device and apps so rules apply correctly. Make sure two-factor authentication is active to block account takeover that often fuels spam. Finally, note any recurring sender ID so you can create targeted rules in the next step. Now you build precise defenses. Add specific sender and domain blocks across your phone, email, and messaging apps. Then create automated rules that match spam patterns, keywords, suspicious links, attachments, or unknown senders, and route those to quarantine or delete. Use carrier-level blocking for robocalls and your email provider's advanced filters to handle volume. Make sure rules sync across devices so new messages are stopped everywhere. This reduces the manual triage you had to perform earlier. Finish by cleaning up and monitoring. Review quarantine messages weekly to refine filters and prevent false positives. Report persistent offenders to your email provider, carrier, and if necessary, regulatory authorities so they can act upstream. If spam persists despite rules, troubleshoot. Reset filtering rules, change compromised passwords, and revoke suspicious app permissions. Make sure to contact platform support with your evidence. They can escalate patterns. One key tip: test changes with a known spam sample to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.